Hi, this is Gary with MacMost Now. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to search inside of web pages with Safari. Now, to a lot of people, you already know about this functionality, but do you use it to its fullest? You can search inside a web page in Safari. This is different than actually searching for something on the web or even searching for something in your history like you can do in Safari. This is actually searching for a piece of text on the page you're looking at. So why would you want to do that? I mean, it's all right there, right? Well, it actually comes in very handy. Let me show you. Okay, so let's start with MacMost as an example. You go to the MacMost homepage and you say, I know there's this keyboard shortcut PDF that I could print out. It's somewhere in MacMost. I remember him tweeting about it. Wonder where it is. Well, I bet you he's got it listed on the front page, but look, there's a lot of stuff here on the front page. How can I find it? Well, I can read through all the different items to see if I can find it here, or I can simply use Command F, which will open up this little search window here, and then I can type in what I want. So let's type in shortcut. And I can see there's one match and it takes me right to it, and I can see, printable keyboard shortcut page. So I very quickly was able to find what I wanted here. Now if I wanted to find out how to subscribe to the newsletter, I could type newsletter. Just start typing it and I come to a link to MacMost newsletter. Actually it shows there's 5 matches there, and I could see that there's a link here at the top of the page as well as one there, one on the right. So there's plenty of places I could find that. Also, if I want to go and say, I want to contact somebody. This is one of the most useful things. You're on a website and you say, I want to be able to contact the website owner. Instead of trying to look for contact information there, you just type contact and you can see it goes right to contact MacMost. Some pages you have to look for email or some other word, but it's a lot quicker than actually reading through it. And this is a relatively short page. Some are much longer. So here's another example. Say I want to know, remember NASA's launching some sort of rocket to go to Jupiter soon. I search for NASA rocket and I come up with this launch schedule. Now I could read through each one of these entries to find out which one is the one going to Jupiter. Or I could just do Command F, search for Jupiter, and even as I start to type, I see it jumps right to the August 5th, 2011 launch of the Juno mission. And that's exactly what I was looking for. Much quicker than actually reading through all the previous entries get down to what I wanted. Find is also useful for confirming whether something is or isn't on a web page. Say you're reading an article and you want to see if the author has a Twitter account, but you don't see it there. Well, instead of assuming it's not there, maybe do a quick search for the word Twitter and it might be at some unlikely place on that web page. Sometimes it even helps you narrow down a Google search. So for instance, you search for something very specific on Google, you come up with a web page of results, but it doesn't look like the first couple actually match what you want. You're looking for a very specific word. You can do a find on that page of search results for that word to maybe jump down to the 7th or 8th entry on that page that actually show it in the page description. So check out using Find inside of a web page. It's a tool that I use constantly throughout the day as I surf the web, and once you realize it's there and realize that you can use it for some things, you'll find you're using it all the time too. Till next time, this is Gary Rosenzweig with MacMost Now.